Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to right click on a laptop. There are two ways to right click on a laptop. The first one is by tapping, not clicking, just tapping on the touchpad with both fingers. So as you can see here on the screen, when I tap with both fingers, it right clicks. You can also instead click in bottom right corner of the touchpad and it also right clicks. If it doesn't work for you, then go to the settings on your laptop, and in the settings go to Bluetooth and devices, scroll down to touchpad, and now find taps and make sure that tap with two fingers to right click or press the bottom right corner of the touchpad to right click are enabled. When they are enabled, now they should work. Also, there's another way which is not commonly used, but if you're using your laptop with the keyboard instead of the touchpad, so when you are clicking on tab, for example, to get to different things, then when pointing on something that you want to right click on, you can also use the arrows to move between the elements of a certain section. Then when you are pointing on something, just click on this button. It's not on all laptops. Some newer ones don't have this button, but if they do, then click on that and it will right click. You can see I have right click right now. I can also for example, right click on the start button by clicking on here, and now I've right clicked. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.